Steven, what are you doing over here?
Putting shit back together, factory now. Damn it.
Tell us what you were gonna do.
We got some 2-inch spacers from, I think Blake, actually. And they're retarded Chevys and have different widths on the vehicles. So I was trying to make them the same. So I got shot down though.
But what else did you do today in it?
The main test drive today.
Yeah.
Did pretty good. So.
Yeah. First test drive went to AutoZone.
Yep. So
to buy some wheel spacers.
No, buy lug nuts.
Buy lug nuts for the wheel spacers, and then came back and took the wheel off, and it didn't work.
Ah, don't fit.
So, all right, that's all the update on the Blazer. We'll get some driving here in a minute. If you have a backyard shop, I want you to make comments in the bottom. I want to see if yours is as bad as ours is. Fucking limb fell. All right, guys, working on the Blazer. New rear shocks. Monroe, real nice. Steven, why don't you tell them what happened?
So me and Lauren, first test drive, like first big test drive, went to Rogers and stuff, and it's like, damn, it's real bouncy in the back. Come to find out, the mount's broke. The other one came off.
So here's the mount. It goes to the frame. You're not gonna be able to see it. It's up here, this piece here, that you can't see at all. So he's gonna weld it while I pull the other shock off. All right, guys, Steven got it all welded up. It's all ready to go. I'm gonna throw the shock on now. Your brother down to get the shocks for you.
You got the right ones, man.
I know, but they got the wrong end on it.
Yeah, it's all good. That's just how they come.
So now we're going to have to
press that part out.
Press that part out. Yep.
Oh shit.
And gets the welder all set up there. Oh, I'll show you. We've got a big old hole there. Oh,
So we're gonna fix it.
there's a big old hole there. So he's gonna weld on the washers these guys have put on there to kind of help. You know how it goes, kind of in backyard work. There, you figure out if you've got a big old hole that you've made that's wrong. You just keep putting washers on it till everything's tight. Isn't that right, Steven?
And then we're stuck.
Yeah, and then 5 years down the road, dudes are stuck like this.
I don't know what's wrong with it.
Yeah. that weld. Pretty. That is the approved method. It works. And guys, see, that's what happens whenever you work on old stuff and it's supposed to be, oh, I'm going to change the shocks. So have your wives watch this when she is asking 3 hours later why it's taking you so long to change the shocks on the car. So, all right, guys, here's how you know your shocks are bad. It don't come up. Then you can't even hardly pull that son of a bitch up. So that one was super bad. Here's the driver's side. Oh, it's kind of coming up. Bounce on that thing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. We've got a ton of cool stuff coming up. So, all right, thanks.